Quick start. Attention. Go.
Breathe now. Quick. Breathe. Lengthen. Full. High 10 now. Catch. Send. Catch. Send. There you go. Relax. Breathe. We're at 40 now. Sit up. Catch. Sit up. Down and away. Alright boys, you're shifting into one. On this one, long press. Long press. There you go boys. Catch. Away. Catch. Away. Sitting up. Alright boys, we're at 35. Lengthen out on this one. Long catch. Down and away. Catch. Down and away. We got this boys. You're sitting up. Push. Push. Alright boys, sit up. There you go, 250 meters in already. Breathe down. Breathe down. Alright boys, if you're comfortable here, let's stay here. We're at 32 right now. At 134. Catch. Away. We're in first place boys. We're ahead. So keep that lead. There you go boys. There you go boys. Catch. Down and away. Catch. Down and away. Let's breathe. We're at 33. Now long rhythm. Long rhythm. Length. Yes Kobe. Length. There you go. Yes boys. I can barely see the bow ball. There you go. Good job. Catch. Good job. There you go boys. We're at 32. At 140, 138. Give me 2 more seconds on this one now. Catch. Away. Catch. Away. There you go boys. There you go boys. We are setting up a press. Press. There you go boys. 31 at 139. Press down and away. Press down and away. There you go boys. 600 meters done. We are sitting up. And keep at it boys. Gonna keep fighting. Alright boys, let's take a focus 5. Give me catch and connection ready on this one. Catches down. Catches down and away. There you go. There you go. Now off the seats. Off the seats. A little bumpy. We're gonna finishing now. Finishing now. There you go boys. I cannot see the barbers anymore. Good job boys. Alright boys, they're in the corner of your high now. You gotta get at them boys. Get them now. Pressing shot. Pressing shot. 800 meters in. We're at 32 at 142. Alright boys, let's sit up. Press down and away. Press down and away. We're breathing. We're gonna get them in the third 500 boys. Okay now. Give me length. Give me pressure. Pressure. Now move away. Move away. Alright boys, as we go through the 500 meters, we're gonna do a power 10. Ready? That's 1. On this one, third of 500 boys. Catch. Down and away. 2 shot. 3 away. 4 breathe. 5 breathe. There you go. 7 down and away. 8 down and away. Yes boys. 10 we're at 31. Keep at it now boys. 1100 meters done. Pushing shot. Pushing shot. Yes boys. Long away. Long away. We are together. We are ahead. Show them what we got. Yes boys. Our boys are watching us. They're watching us. Do it for them. 30 at 142. Composure. Yes boys. Last 750 here. Catch. Down and away. Catch. Down and away. I can see the finish line here boys. We are sitting up. We're gonna push. I'm gonna let you know the last 500 meters. So sit up. Alright boys, last 500 meters into that's 1. Last 500 on this one. Sit up. Catch. Down and away. Catch. Down and away. Yeah boys. Pushing. There you go. There you go. breathe away, breathe away. I'm gonna finish it. I don't think we need to sprint. I'm gonna stay long. I'm gonna tap it along now. Yes, boys, all the way. Yes, boys. Last 250 meters. Catch, breathe, catch, breathe. We're at 31, good. Stay consistent all the way through the finish line here, boys. Pressing, shot. Pressing, shot. There you go, boys. 142. Yes, boys. 170 meters left. Catching down and over. Catching down and over. Yeah, boys. There you go. We're gonna finish it. Last 70 meters here. Catch down and over. Catch down and over. Finish it, boys. Finish it, boys. You're sitting up. There you go. And way enough. Down.
Good job, guys.
Good job.